So, if you have watched my last video, I gave a brief introduction to Excel. Today, I'm going to tell you a little more about Excel. So, what I'm doing is not making the videos too long so that even if you don't subscribe, at least you can get all my videos. And I really care about people's eyes because long videos mean long screen time, and long screen time means not good eyes. So, yeah, I told you that this is a formula bar. If you will remember, I just told you this much. I didn't tell you what's about this formula, what is this formula bar does, what the ribbon does, what are the basic features in Excel, because I'll be telling only the basic features of Excel. Means I'll be telling formulas, functions, creating charts, and these two, and creating worksheets, formulas and functions, and creating charts, like graphs. So now I'm going to tell you uses of Excel. So you can you count numbers, manipulate numbers, perform calculations. You can organize your data, and organized data is very good. You can store them as a workbook in your computer rather than hard copy, and you can take it and you can store it. Like soft copy is good, but because you have to only mail, even if you have to share the data at max email. So next, features of Excel. So we can edit and format data. We can use formulas and functions. We can print worksheets, and we can create charts and many more things. So now I have told you how to start Excel. I told you how to create a worksheet. I told you how to save. It's just Control S, or you could just put this button over there and choose where you want to save it. Then told you how to select cells. So cells can be selected like this. What I did tell you is we can also select rows, columns, or rows. So I'll just bring the cursor on the column heading. This is called the column heading. This is called the row heading. So I'll just bring my mouse pointer on the column heading and left click, and same for the row. I'll just bring my cursor to the row heading and left click. Done. So whenever I say click, it means left click, and if I for right click, I'll tell you that this is a right click specially. Okay. So then this is selecting a cell, row, column, and now a group of cells. So a group of cells can be this. So when you select not one but many cells, it's called a range. So I told you that intersection is everything for one cell. But what about a range? Can we? Okay. For those who don't know, these 2 points, the top left corner of the top left cell of the range, and bottom right cell of the range. These two are called hit points. Just a minute, they are called hook points. So hook points are these 2 points. So we just put their names. We just put their names in the name. See, what we can do is we can also type in the name bar. So all we have, so in this Excel, I don't know what's the problem, but normally, you, if you want to select a range, then you write like A1 if I want the first one to be A1, then a colon, and then if I want the last one to be say E3, enter, and we have our range selected. So this is it for a range. Now, next thing I'm going to tell you. So now let's make a project. Okay, we'll take a few students, just random students, virtual students, and just give them virtual marks so that we can work on it. So first, I'll just write, and along the way, I'll tell you more of it. So I'll write PRO progress report. Okay, so now if you can see, these two cells have been merged, but I want it bold and good and not so small and not attractive. I want the things to look attractive. So for this, what I can do is, or what I can do, the thing that I can do is, I'll just select the font size as, let's see, what size can we put? Okay, just wait a little. Okay, I think we can just put the font size to be, okay, wait a minute. I did a small mistake. I should have put it first. So like this. Then I'll just put the font size to 20. Then I will merge a few cells. So for that, first I'll select a range. Mm, I will select A1 colon, yes, you got it right, H1. Then I'll just give it a little bit of more font size, let's say 20. And then I'll write, wait, now I want to fill this with some color. But first I need to merge it, right? So I'll right click on the range and go down, go down, go down. Why isn't it here? I want to merge. What's happening is that I will press this button, right? So you see, I told you merge and center button. This is the merge and center button. So I will just select the range, right click, and then above here, I'll click this, and all of them are merged. Now I want some color, because color makes everything look good and nice and beautiful. So I'll put blue color. I'll just zoom in a bit. Yes, like that. Now I'll write progress report. Okay, now this is merged. Why isn't it merged? Anyways, I'll just merge it again. Then for text, I'll go to insert. There should be text, right? Text box, and here. Wait a minute. Just doing this. So now, if I see a little, then I think there is something more that can be done. Right. Now I got my mistake. I did a small, teeny tiny mistake, and that was I filled the color before I was supposed to fill it. Get me? So now I'll have to undo everything that I did. Now I'll have to write. I want a good style. Hmm. Should we take allergen? I'll take that. Then I'll just type progress, progress, RESS, progress, report. And then, now I want some color. I'll just select this. Oh, no, I shouldn't have done that. I'll select this. Right? Remember I told you that first select the cell you want to color and then click it. Now, yay, colored! I like colored. Now, done. Now I'll just do one small thing. I'll give this a blue color, a white color. I like white. Tell me, black or white? Okay, let's see. Black, black, white, white, black, black, white, white. I'll take white. No, I think black. I think black is better because it's more contrasting. So now, anyways, let's move on. Now, I will start by giving all the name of the students, then subjects. So I'll type name, name. Oops, what's happening? Okay, name. Then the second, I'll do the second one to English. English, English. Then the third one to Hindi. Okay, Hindi, Hindi. If you are not living in India, Hindi is Indian language, which is used almost all over India. And then after Hindi, there is maths, science, and that's about it. And then we'll just give it TOTAL, total. So now we are done with this. I think the video is again getting too long. So let's just end here. The next day we'll assign the names, numbers, marks, and many other things. So for now, bye bye. For this video, for this project, I'll make another video too. So we'll start from here. Anyways, bye bye. See you. Please like, share, subscribe, and subscribe to my videos and hit the bell icon immediately.